Lows in the upper 50s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. A chance of showers. Highs around 80. Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 70%. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northern Mercer County until 11:45 p.m. At 11:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Geneva, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Rockford, Mendon, Chattanooga, Neptune, and Tama. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allen County, Adams County, Jay County, southeastern Defiance County, western Putnam County, Paulding County, Van Wert County, southwestern Allen County, Ohio, until midnight. At 11:19 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Greville to Monroeville to near Monroe to near Redkey, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, surface observations. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lima, Defiance, Van Wert, Decatur, Delphos, Portland, Bern, Fort Shawnee, Paulding, Spencerville, Elida, Antwerp, Carlida, Woodburn, Redkey, Geneva, Monroeville, Payne, Continental, and Convoy.